Our mobile phones are more than just devices. They're our digital extensions, shaping our daily lives. Every tap, swipe, and click creates data, much of which leaves a trail across the internet. These digital breadcrumbs reveal who we are, where we go, and what we do. Understanding this trail is the first step in grasping the power of open source intelligence, or OSINT. We share more than we realize. Photos, check-ins, and linked accounts all add to our online mosaic. Alone, each piece seems trivial, but together, they form a detailed portrait of our lives. OSINT isn't just for spies, it's a skill anyone can learn, using tools available to the public. This guide will show you how to ethically gather and analyze information tied to mobile devices. We'll focus on legal, public tools, no hacking, just what's already in plain sight. The goal? Empower you to become a responsible digital investigator. These skills can help you reconnect with family, verify identities, or protect yourself online. But with power comes responsibility. Misuse can cross ethical and legal lines. Throughout, we'll emphasize privacy, ethics, and legal boundaries. The objective is to use OSINT for good, respecting the line between public and private. Let's begin our journey into the world of mobile OSINT. Your digital footprint is more revealing than you think. Open source intelligence, or OSINT, is simpler than it sounds. Open source means any information that's publicly available. News articles, public records, social media, and more. It's not about hacking or accessing private data. It's about finding what's already out there. Intelligence is the result of collecting and analyzing this data to answer a specific question. OSINT turns scattered facts into actionable insights. For example, a list of web addresses is just data. Connecting them to a single person, revealing their interests or workplace, is intelligence. OSINT is about connecting visible dots to form a bigger picture. Imagine researching a classic car. You'd read books, browse forums, and watch videos, all public sources. The same principle applies to people and devices. OSINT is the art of legally and ethically gathering and analyzing public information. No password guessing, no breaking into accounts, just structured research. The difference is in the method. A good OSINT investigator uses tools and a process to find and interpret information efficiently. It's about being a focused, resourceful researcher in the digital age. OSINT is accessible to anyone willing to learn. Let's see how it works with something as simple as a phone number. In mobile OSINT, a phone number is often the master key. It's a unique identifier, linking our digital lives, used for logins, recovery, and social media. Investigations often start with just these 10 digits, unlocking a web of connected data. Enumeration is the process of discovering which accounts and services are tied to a number. Password reset pages can reveal if a number is registered, sometimes exposing partial emails or names. While not foolproof, people use burner numbers or VoIP for privacy. Most stick to one main number. This makes the phone number a powerful starting point for building a digital profile. By following the data trail, you can uncover surprising details about someone's online presence. This is the foundation of our investigation. PhoneInfoga is a key tool for investigating phone numbers. It automates the search for public information tied to a number, saving hours of manual work. PhoneInfoga reveals technical details, country, carrier, and whether it's mobile, landline, or VoIP. This helps you understand the number's context. VoIP might mean privacy concerns, for example. The real power is in its online footprint search. PhoneInfoga scans social media, forums, and directories for public mentions. It checks if the number appears in disposable number services, a potential red flag. All findings are consolidated into a clear report, providing immediate leads. Importantly, PhoneInfoga only accesses public data. No hacking, no private info. If a number is public on Facebook or a forum, it'll find it. If not, it comes up empty. It's an efficiency tool, making your investigation faster and more thorough. PhoneInfoga is the perfect first step in your mobile OSINT toolkit. Let's see how to connect numbers to real people. After PhoneInfoga, Epieos helps link a phone number to a real person. Epieos scans hundreds of sites to see if a number or email is registered, often revealing names, profile pictures, or even emails. It uses public APIs and password reset forms. No private data is accessed. For example, a number linked to a Google account might reveal a name and photo, turning digits into a real identity. This breakthrough lets you pivot to further searches, using the name or image for more OSINT. Epieos only reports what's public, respecting privacy and legality. If a number is tied to a public profile, Epieos finds it. If not, it doesn't. It's an invaluable ethical tool for unmasking the person behind a number. Now, let's explore the human element, social media. With a name, email, or profile picture, your investigation moves to social media, the modern public square. People share vast amounts of personal info, activities, connections, and locations. Manual searches on Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn, and X can reveal a lot. Use names, locations, and profile pictures to narrow down matches. Public profiles often list employers, schools, friends, and family, each a potential clue. LinkedIn is a goldmine for professional history. Instagram shows lifestyle and hobbies. Even locked-down profiles can leak info through usernames or public images. The key is patience and cross-referencing. Never trust a single data point. Verify details across platforms. A username on a forum might match an Instagram handle, leading to a Facebook profile. This methodical approach connects the dots, building a detailed profile from public data. Social media searching is where data becomes real intelligence. It's the human side of OSINT, analyzing what people choose to share. Always remember to respect privacy and verify your findings. With OSINT skills comes responsibility. Always stay within legal and ethical boundaries. Never access private data or bypass security. Use OSINT for legitimate reasons: safety, verification, or reconnecting with loved ones. Never use these tools to stalk, harass, or harm others. Respect privacy, even when information is public. Only collect what's necessary. Avoid hoarding personal data. Be critical of your sources. The internet is full of outdated or false information. A phone number might belong to a previous owner, or a profile could be fake. Always verify findings with multiple sources. Responsible OSINT is about accuracy, ethics, and restraint. The goal is to protect and inform, not to invade or exploit. Use your skills wisely and with integrity. Let's talk about the mindset that makes a great investigator. Tools are only half the equation. Mindset is crucial. A good investigator is methodical, patient, and creative, connecting scattered clues into a coherent story. Start with a clear objective. What are you trying to answer? The process is cyclical. Each discovery leads to new avenues. For example, a phone number leads to an email, which leads to a name, then to social media, and so on. Document everything. Note what you find, where, and when. Organized notes help you retrace steps and verify connections. Visualization, like mapping data points, can reveal hidden links. Know when to stop. If the trail goes cold or your question is answered, respect privacy and conclude your search. Not every case can be solved, and not every detail needs to be uncovered. The best investigators balance curiosity with restraint. Achieve your goal, then step back. Ethical OSINT means knowing your limits. The right mindset ensures your investigation is thorough, fair, and respectful. Now, let's reflect on the bigger picture. We've explored the basics of OSINT and the digital trails left by our mobile devices. OSINT is about legally gathering and analyzing public information to create actionable intelligence. A single phone number can unlock a wealth of data, names, profiles, and digital footprints. Tools like PhoneInfoga and Epieos make this process accessible to anyone. Social media search brings the human element, revealing connections and habits. But the most important lesson is about responsibility. Use these skills ethically for protection and understanding, never harm. The line between legal OSINT and illegal hacking is clear. Always respect privacy. Remember, your own digital footprint is just as visible. Try investigating yourself to see what's out there. This will make you a better, safer digital citizen. Stay curious, ethical, and safe as you navigate the world of OSINT.